Highlight today, another quick one. We get a zone down here. How do you pick the bottom? You can go broke trying to pick a bottom by just trying to find price alone. You got to qualify it. So take a look down here. We got an iceberg, big buyer. Once that gets filled, I'll fast forward it. We go lower. We go to the edge of a zone. It was down here that Dave had 31.5, 33.5. Can't just lay a bid to get long. And a couple things happen. Watch this area right here. These two verticals, this one and this one. When I rewind it and then boom, I fast forward it, they both appear, right? Two things it shows us. Longs puke in here at 34.75, and a lot of selling on the delta comes in at 35 even. So in the same two tick area, lots of selling and lots of longs that puke. So you get people who sold it and people who sold it to get out of a long. Could be two different things. You could have shorts getting stuck, longs getting stopped out. We know that longs got stopped out. That's what this green bar shows. And then aggressive sellers come in. That's what this red bar shows. Now, what's important is this green iceberg, as I fast forward it, once we breach it, the upside, that's 35. The upside becomes the right side, 35 even. As soon as we get through it, right there, right there, right there. No coincidence. That's where he came in. You already had longs puke, which is what you want. You already had some stuck shorts or stuck sellers that gets rejected above there. That's what you want. That's the recipe for qualifying a bottom. And this one went up quite a bit. It doesn't have to go up quite a bit. It just has to go up a little bit before it goes up quite a bit. And that's where a lot of people get stuck, is that they're always looking for the bottom. When you pick the bottom, you won't know it, but you'll have something on for it. Just qualify the heck out of your levels by using order flow, by using what price is going to get us bullish, what should get us bullish, and have a high probability to it. Now, there was another thing that also happened that right at this 35 that really triggered us, and it was our friend the Russell. Let me blow this up. Our friend the Russell, I think it was in here, jumped right there. It looked something like this if it was right. Well, let's find out the time. Time of that was actually about 9:30, so it would have been back over here. This is the Russell right there. That's what the Russell did right there. Now, it didn't jump right to here. This validated that the upside was going to be the right side as it continued, right, as it rallied. But it jumped right in here. That gave us another clue that indeed they're going to take out 35. Bam, and do that. Follow through. In fact, I'm showing guys what the Russell had done to help validate it. But at the time, does you no good to know that the low is the low when it's up here. You have to be able to analyze it with confidence, objectivity when you're down there. Stay safe.